Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Tasha. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. So today I'm doing a unboxing on some items that I bought, makeup items of course, and I'm gonna show you what I got and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about them. So first up, the first item that I want to unbox is the Anastasia Beverly Hills-Amrezy palette. Let me open this for you guys. Look at this. First of all, I love the packaging. The packaging is so pretty. I love the little sprinkle thing going on. And it's also bigger than the normal Anastasia Beverly Hills palette because it has I think 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 shades, and these colors are so pretty. These colors are also pigmented, so let me swatch Reezy for you guys. This color, I'm gonna swatch it here, and I'm gonna swatch Barb's, and I'm gonna swatch Cupcakes. So these are the colors. Very pretty. I really like them. Cupcake, Barb's, and Reezy. Cupcake, Barb's, Reezy. Pretty, right? I really love this. Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and it's the Amrezy palette. And of course, I also bought the mirror to pair with the palette. I really like Amrezy collection. This is the mirror, guys. It's so pretty. Oh my god. It's very pretty and nice square palette. I actually got another pink one. I always seen me with the pink. I think it's a rose pink. It's also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I really love these Anastasia Beverly Hills palette because it's very pigmented. I really love them. Amrezy, you did a good job with this palette. Okay, second, chocolate. This is from Too Faced. I saw this palette and I wanted to get it. Like, I wanted to get it in a long time. And look at this packaging. This packaging is so freaking beautiful. Look at this. And this is mostly why I get it, because the packaging is so pretty. These are the colors. I really love this. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh. Let me swatch a few for you guys. So I'm gonna swatch these 3 on top so you guys could see. The green is Money Bag. The gold is Chocolate Gold, and the kind of silver shade is Rich Girl. Okay. Rich Girl, Chocolate Gold, and Money Bag. Also pick up some highlighter from Too Faced, and this is the Too Faced Diamond Light highlighter. Let me open this up. Look at this packaging. I really love Too Faced packaging. It's so pretty. They're very creative with their stuff. Ooh, this is pretty. Let me swatch this. Okay. This is like a pretty goldish, pinkish color. It's so pretty. I really love it. And this is the highlighter. I also pick up a lip gloss, and this is pink. This is Two Night Stand. That's the name of this lip gloss. Two Night Stand. Two night. Why couldn't it be one night stand? The way all this pretty, it should be one night stand. Look at this. Two Night Stand. Let me open this up and show you all this shade. This is like a nudish pinkish color. It's not so much pigmented, but I really like it because it's nudish with a little sprinkle in it. I really like it. When you put this on pale lip and your boyfriend say, baby, oh, your lips look so juicy, like instantly want to kiss you. Okay, and this is the Rich Dazzle lip gloss. That's the name of the lip gloss, Rich Dazzle, and it's in this shade. The name is Two Night Stand. Okay, I also pick up something else from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the loose setting powder. Loose setting powder, and it's banana. I use Ben Nye Topaz in all my videos, so I said let me just get something different because I want to try a different highlighter. So that's why I picked this up, and let me show you how this is. It's a really light powder. It's very light. I hope this works for my skin tone, but I really want to try it. So if you want to see me try this, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button so you guys will get notified. So moving on, I bought this Too Faced. It says it's highlighter drip. That's what it says, highlighter drip, Tutti Frutti. And it's all Too Faced stuff smells like either sweets or chocolate. Even the palette, it smells like chocolate. And listen, this is for $30-something, honey. When I buy this, I was so pissed because I don't know why did I purchase this and didn't look at the size. This is so teeny for $30-something. Like, let me show you this. The next reason why I'm upset, let me show you. It says it's Rich Dazzle highlighter. Let me show you, because I want to know what is Rich Dazzle. Look at this. This is watery. Too Faced, I want back my money. Watch it. Just a little sparkle and water. For real. I can use this for my body. Because this no make no sense. But anyways, let me move on to something else. So this palette that I'm gonna show you guys, this is the palette that I use for this look, and it's the first time I use this palette, and it's the Makeup Revolution, and this is from Patricia Bright. Listen, this palette is so pretty, and the build of this palette is so freaking good. This is like a pan. It's a pan, and it's actually a little bit heavy. So look at this, guys. This palette, honey, you see this look on my face? This is what I use to create this beautiful, colorful look. Okay, this is so pretty. And believe me, I got this palette for like $20. It's very reasonable, and I really love this palette. I use this shade and this, and I use this yellow also to create this look, and it's very pigmented. So let me swatch a few of the colors that I use on my eyes. That's what I'm gonna swatch for you guys, so you guys could see it on my hands. It's very pigmented. See that? I really love this palette. Okay, moving on now, moving on. Gotta move it. Last but not least, I picked up some brushes from Morphe, and as I said, the packaging is still on this because it's an unboxing. Okay, so let me take these off. I really love this packaging. I could store something in these. Let me show y'all. I bought these brushes. So these are face brush, and I'm about to use these in my next video. I'm gonna tell you all about them. So okay, so let me start off with the face brushes. So this brush is a foundation brush. This brush now is a loose powder brush. This powder, you could use this for like under your eye to dust the highlight, like to dust the setting powder, like dust it off. And this palette, I think this is a contour. What me I say palette? No, me have to catch up myself. Oh Jesus. Okay, so this brush, okay, this brush is for contouring. Okay, and I will use this one for highlight, to put the highlighter. Moving on to the eyeshadow brushes. I ripped them out of the paper before my come up here, so come and talk off my face. Guys, the brushes. So this brush is for blending. Also, you could use this as blending tool. This brush is your concealer brush for your brows. And I believe this is a blending brush also. Yes, this is a blending brush also. And this brush, I forgot the name of this brush, but you can use it to apply eyeshadow like inner tear duct. Also, you could use this as your inner tear duct too, or your waterline, like this brush. Now I will use this to pat down, like if I'm doing a cut crease, I will use this to like sharpen up the cut crease, like get in there, you know, sharpen the line, and also apply the shadow to the cut crease, because it's better to use a smaller brush when you're applying the shadow inside the cut crease, so that you don't mess the whole look. I get it neat and sharp. As you see, you just apply it like, you know, apply it like that. So that's it, guys. That's all that I bought. So if you want to see more reviews and stuff that I got, I will have them videos coming for you, honey. So please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification button so you guys could get notified. Okay, so if you like my video, comment down below. If you like my makeup, I will have this beat up in like 2 days, so you guys could see step by step how I achieved this look. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys so much for supporting me, and have a good day. Love. Peace out.